Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Shri, and today we'll see how to handle dropdowns in Selenium. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on this series. Alright, let's get into it. Again, in our test website, I have created two dropdowns, one for cars and one for bikes. And for bike, I have enabled multi selection. And on both dropdowns, I have around 20 options. Let's see the DOM structure. So the dropdown is enclosed within select tag and the options are listed with option tag. Here in our code editor, I have created a file called handling dropdown. As you have seen, dropdown is a list of elements and Selenium provides a special class called select which will help in interacting with dropdowns in an efficient way. First, we'll set up our WebDriver and navigate to our test website. Let's handle our first dropdown, which is a single selection dropdown for cars. We'll locate the element and initialize a select object. Now we got our select object ready for cars, and select provides a lot of options. So let's check if multiple selections are enabled for this dropdown. Obviously, it should return false as I have disabled it purposefully, and then we'll print all the available options for this dropdown. Select provides multiple ways to select an option from a dropdown. We can select it by using its index, value, or the visible text from the UI. Let's try all three. Select by index selects the option by its index in the DOM, and index always starts with 0. Select by value uses the value attribute of that option, and select by visible text uses the UI text. Alright, now let's move on to multiple selection dropdown for bikes. The process is quite similar. The only difference is, as the multiple selection is enabled for bikes, we can select multiple options. Let's check whether the multiple selection is enabled or no, similar to the cars, and this time it should return true. Here I'm again using all the three available methods to select an option, and I'm selecting few more for the next section of this video where we'll be deselecting it. There is a method in select class called getAllSelectedOptions, which will get you all the selected options from a dropdown. So let's try that one now. It's time to deselect some options. Similar to select, we can deselect an option by its index, value, or visible text. And we have one more method called deselectAll, which deselects all options at once. Now let's run it. So it selects by index, visible text, and value, deselects one by one, and deselects all. And we have got our output also in the console. So it says multiple selection false for cars and true for bikes. And we have printed all the available options for cars and selected options on the bikes. And that wraps our video on handling dropdowns with Selenium. I hope this tutorial helps you in your automation projects. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. And you're welcome to use our test website for your learnings. I'll leave the link in description below. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out the links in the description for our Instagram, Telegram group, and WhatsApp community, where you can get updates, tips, and discuss your doubts. Thanks for watching and happy coding.